Well, here she is. Sitting right here on her PVC pipe. I hear a crow hollering at her, but it doesn't concern her much. This is her territory, and her bathing area, and her hunting area. She's quite relaxed, though. That is a PVC pipe she's perched on. There's water below her. She's looking for ducks or anything that moves in this field. She'll go hunting. You can hear the crow in the background. She's unconcerned about them. Good, healthy bird. Look at a nice yellow color on her feet and around her eyes and her cere. Look at that. She is a healthy bird. Been here for several years, and we enjoy every time we find her. Beautiful markings and stripes on her chest there. Look at that. The front there around her thighs. Peregrine Falcon. Beautiful bird. We were down in Renton earlier and found the Peel's peregrine. So this is our second peregrine today. Been kind of looking for the male. He hangs around here once in a while. We saw him a few weeks ago, and we're hoping to find him again. But she's putting on a good show, just sitting here looking around, very alert. She wants to look for the opportunity to catch something. Maybe we come back later, we'll catch her taking a bath.